Welcome everyone to free web development course. We are teaching full stack web development step by step and it is free, completely free. Now, if you are visiting this YouTube channel or watching this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get a notification whenever I upload a new video. When you are subscribing this YouTube channel, you are saving $10,000 as any bootcamp on full stack web development costs you 10K to 20K. So save your money up to 20K just subscribing this YouTube channel. All right, today I'm going to share about box modeling. Okay, box model in web development industry is a great concept, especially box model in CSS is so important that literally you can't do anything without understanding this concept. You cannot actually style anything. Okay, whatever you style, what do we style on web pages? We style our contents. What are the contents? Contents are photos, content is videos, contents are audios, and contents are articles. So there are four kinds of contents on our web pages. These are article, pictures, videos, and audios. We have to style each of these contents. And to style each of these contents, what elements we have to use? What I'm doing now. Let me show by example. I just press shift button and uh, type exclamation sign, then press enter, and this boiler template of HTML has been auto-completed. All right, and what we are going to discuss, it's box model. All right, now I said let me leave a note, okay, how we comment in HTML. Let me show you. I just type angle bracket, opening angle bracket, then exclamation sign and two dash, and rest will be auto completed. And I will type all my notes right here. I can say box model contains four elements. Okay, and these are, I can say, contents. Okay, I can say content, then padding, then border, and finally margin. So these four elements we have to use in any web page, and this concept is known as box modeling or box model. Now let me give an example. I just type hashtag. Hashtag always starts before ID. Okay, uh, which means IDs are defined with hashtag and class is defined with dot. Okay, what do I mean saying by this? Let me show you. I just write hashtag and say my deep, okay, my deep, then press enter and look what happens. Boom. Amazing, right? So this is my deep, okay? This is my deep, and if you now open it, we can open in some ways, but one is just right button click and open with live server. In some windows it may not work. My one is not working. In that case, what I can do, I can just go to index.html, right button click, then reveal in file explorer, click here, okay, and your index.html file will be here. Then right button click again, then open with any browser. You can choose anyone. I choose Google Chrome. Okay, to me this is the best web developers tool. Okay, because it has a great web developers tool. All right, nothing is here because we don't have any content. Now let me write h1 tag and say 001. Okay, this is our content, right? Now go back and refresh. Now I see 001. This is my content. Now uh, in any web page we have what? We have contents. Okay, contents can be articles, contents can be picture, contents can be video, contents can be audios. Okay, so this is, say for example, part of article or article. Okay, now I want to first I take content, then I want padding. Say for example, let me take my d as my ID. And if you are watching this video for the first time, and if you are starter or beginner, please go back and watch previous videos to get ideas how we are working on it. Okay, go to styles, style.css, and ID always defined by hashtag, and this is my ID. Okay, my deep, take my deep as a CSS selector, and I say first background color. I'm taking background color so that we can look at everything very clearly and understand the concept. Okay, and I want it to be crimson. Crimson is kind of red, I think. Okay, and just refresh it. And the background color is not working. Why not working? Because we didn't connect HTML file with style.css file. So to connect, we have to link, use link tag, enter, and href is attribute, and this is value. What is attribute? In HTML and CSS, attributes are nothing but uh, attribute name and value. We use it in HTML tag, inside HTML tag, to provide extra information, additional information about the tag. So about link tag, we are giving extra information here. What is extra information? Extra information is in hyperreference. We have a folder, okay, and name of the folder we have to put CSS, then press enter, and whatever we have inside CSS folder, how many um, uh, files or file names it will be showing here. Okay, style.css, then just save it, Control S, And now we can check whether it has been connected. Okay, so crimson color, it means it has been connected. Okay, it has been connected. Beautiful, beautiful, amazing, right? Now what we need to do, now we have content, we have background. Now second, before going to second element, what do we need? We need height and width set, for example, because we want to see everything from all perspectives clearly. So I can say width is like 300 pixel, or I can take 400 pixel, and height, say for example 400. Okay, 400 pixel. Now we can check our web page. Wow. Okay, how it's better to see how it works. Now we have content. Now second one is padding, right? Padding. Let's see. Yes, padding. Now I want to give padding to this mighty, and padding is, say for example 50 pixel. Now let's go back and check and look at the change. Okay, when I refresh, look, we have now 50 pixel padding, 50 pixel, and here also 50 pixel, and here also 50 pixel, right? Okay, we can provide more, but just try to understand how it works. Now I want to use the third element, that is border. Now border itself has three elements. How we can use them, let's see. And that is border. I said border has three um, values actually. You say 5 pixel, thickness will be 5 pixel, and it will be yellow, color will be yellow. Color will be yellow. Okay, and excuse me, third, I want it to be solid. Okay, now let's check what happens. Yes, now I have border 5 pixel and it is yellow. Okay, now it is I can say uh, solid. Now if I use dotted, how would look how look like it? Dotted will be dot dot. Okay, right? And even you can use dashed. Okay, border can be dashed. All right, wonderful. Okay, now what next? Now we need margin, the fourth element we are going to use it. Margin we can use here. Margin, excuse me, and margin I 100 pixel. Okay, so for example, go and check. You see, 100 pixel. Top, bottom, right, left. If you now just right click, then go to inspect, and you can check how this is being used. You know, I can go to just a minute. Compute it. Click on compute it, and you can see margin is 100, border is 5, padding is 50, and content is 400 by 400. Right? It's really, really amazing. The concept itself is so powerful. Without it, you cannot style your pages. Without understanding this concept, you cannot style your pages properly. So uh, this concept is very important to understand and make it clear how this one works. Okay, how box model works. All right, now let me just copy. Okay, third time, and I say this is 2, this is 3. No, ID is always unique, but we are styling this 3 divs uh, same same style, keeping same style. So it should be now named class, because class can be multiple. ID can be used only once on a page, especially by one ID name. Okay, class, then class, and class is my div. Now let's check our website. No more style there, right? There will be no more style. You see, because why? Because in style we use my div as an ID, but it is now class. Just change it, and now check. What a beautiful, what a beauty, what a beauty. Okay, now just make it smaller, make it 300, 300, and check. Well, you can even make smaller. You can make it 200. Now check it. It's beautiful, right? Okay, wonderful. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to make it border to be radius. How we can do it? Border radius, I can say 150 pixel. And now look at it. It can be 200 also. Amazing, right? Wonderful. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe this channel and save $10,000. Okay, learn it free. And if you want to learn one-on-one coaching, you want to be coached, let me know. We are available. We can teach you online, completely online, and you can join from anywhere in the world. Okay, and learn completely web development skills from anywhere in the world and start working from anywhere in the world. Thank you so much for you watching. Okay, if you want to contact with us, you can go to about page and you can shoot an email, because there is an email address, right? Okay, thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.